Hello, once again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to lower GPU latency. This is for NVIDIA only. Alright, let's get started. Don't mind that TikTok. Search up NVIDIA Profile Inspector. Go to the first one, download the zip. And over here you download, extract it. Same with MSI utility. I would download it from Guru 3D. There's a link right here. So download that. Okay, we're gonna start off NVIDIA Profile Inspector. You should open it. You can copy my settings if you want. This is what I use. Feel free to pause the video and copy them. I don't like G-Sync. I don't like it. These are my settings here. Don't worry about this R-bar shit. You could try it if you want. You should enable it in BIOS if it's compatible. The important one here is CUDA force P2 state and prefer maximum performance. And then obviously most people have these correct already anyway. Obviously there's other shit that's, I'm not gonna get into that stuff. Like, yes, it can help, but you're playing with fire. You don't need that shit. So once you've done that, also I use newest driver. If newest driver is bad for you, go back one driver before that, and yeah, get the point. I use newest. Anyway, once you've done that, use MSI utility. Click this box for your GPU. Set it to high. Click apply at the top right. Close it. Once you've done that, Windows key R, type regedit, and then follow this path I'm following here. HQ local machine system, current control set, control class, look for the 968, see how this goes in order, 65, 66, 67, 67. You can add this, so you might have multiple, instead of just 000, you might have 0001, 002, and so forth. You could just add this to each one if you're not sure. But it should say like hardware information, adapter string, it'll tell you your shit. Either way. What you're gonna do is you're gonna right click in a blank spot, new, dword 32-bit value, and then you're gonna name it disable dynamic P state, and then you're gonna set it to a value of 1. Double click it, set value 1, click OK, and then you restart your PC, and that basically it forces your GPU into the highest power state, which is P0, which means clocks are at their highest boost state. Similar if you were to force C0 on your CPU. Now you want to download MSI Afterburner. Same shit. You Google it, MSI Afterburner. First one, and download it. And now when you open it, also when you're in that download process, don't uncheck RevoTuner. You don't want to install that. You can if you want to. Anyway, max out your power and temp limit. Adjust your fan speed how you want. I max mine out because I don't give a fuck. Fuck it. Better cooling, I guess. Now, if you want lower GPU latency, you can obviously overclock your GPU. That's up to you whether or not you want to do that. But it's just like a minimal, you don't have to go much further than this. Apply that, and then what you could do is you can click, you can save like a profile, and then you click the, check mark, and then you can click this little Windows thing at the top right. If you're wondering what skin I'm using, I use MSI Mystic Afterburner skin. I also unlocked voltage control monitoring. Outside of that, obviously there's things like you could do affinities. Also make sure you're using display scaling in your NVIDIA control panel. Don't be that guy who uses GPU scaling just to use stretch res or something. Don't do it. It's so much worse. Let me think, is there anything else? Generally speaking, there's not much. Obviously, there's just other shit like there's hidden things, there's undocumented things, but don't pay attention to the people LARPing. Like, it doesn't fucking matter. This is all you really need. And yeah, that's basically it for the NVIDIA GPU stuff. Yeah, that's it. Also, I forgot to add, don't use NVIDIA Reflex Plus Boost when you're doing this. These tweaks, just use Enable, that's fine. Generally speaking, cap your FPS, use NVIDIA Reflex, and that'll pretty much get you very low GPU latency, or as low as it can be for your hardware. Yeah, that's mostly it. I wouldn't go any further for most people. So, yeah, that's it.